Welcome to Level Up Math for all. Today we are going to learn formulas for 2D shapes, areas. First of all, I would like to get into details regarding area. What do you mean of area? The area is bounded within the closed sides. If you look into the square, it has four sides. All the sides, the lengths are same in size, but they are connected. So within this connected area, we call this is area. For rectangle, we have two opposite sides, which is the same size, and two opposite sides, which are in same size. Some of them are bigger, some of them is longer. But the thing is, the area is covered in between these four sides. Is there area rectangle similar to the triangle? Area which is covered between these three angles which are connected, that's called area of triangle. For the trapezoid, it's also same four sides, but most of the time the sides are not equal in size. The area is covered within this shape is called area of trapezoid, similar to circle. So the area is represented with capital letter A. For the square, the formula to find area of a square is a square. Small a is nothing but a side of a square. When it comes to the rectangle, width times length, that's it, W times length, L. So the width is the smaller side of the rectangle, the length is the longer side of the rectangle. For triangle, of base times height. The base is the bottom of the triangle, height is which is connecting to third angle, which is connecting to the base. So we will find in a different video how to find height. For trapezoid, which is nothing but a plus b by 2 times height, h. So we have to have a height, and we have a length a and length b and length b and length c. There are, or we can call length or sides, side a, side b, side c, side d. So the thing is, we are going to use the top two parallel sides a and b. We are going to add them, then subtract with 2, then multiply with the height. Now, when it comes to circle, the area of circle is pi times r square. R represents the radius. The radius is the midpoint of the circle to any edge of the circle. Pi, we all know, it's a constant. The value of pi is 3.141592. If you want to remember, just remember 3.14, just first two digits of the decimal. Some of the basic area formulas we learned. We have to apply these formulas to find the area residing within those shapes. If you like the video, please subscribe Level Up Math for All. Like it. Please leave a comment. Press the bell icon for future videos.